Happy Monday, Ramu. We need the good Monday vibe. It's been a rough 2 weeks. We're getting rid of all the bad juju. I brought some sage.
I'm done.
Turn down the music, I think. Okay. Try not to set something on fire.
I'm so done. You know, I actually have some. Is that Palo
Am I doing this right? I do not know if I'm doing this right. Montana usually takes care of the staging of our house. There we go. We gotta get all the bad juju out. Smells pretty good.
I have some.
I just told you to bring your stage.
Wait, I have some.
Okay, you're gonna get it. Morning coffee. We're off to a good start, technically managing. It's Monday, May 1st, 2023. Ramu and I have been working our butts off the past 2 weeks. We need to get loose. This is gonna be a new week. Good vibes only. It's like really hard to light stage, especially if you have like a big bundle like this.
Yeah. I love these. They're so good. I'm so done.
Nothing is going to break this week, technically. All of our projects are going to work. We're not going to get frustrated.
A good week, please.
We're going to get good sleep. We're going to be happy and healthy. We're going to get outside.
No McDonald's this week.
Okay, I think we got that taken care of. Let me make sure to. How do you blow this out?
Yeah, you have to like kind of move it a lot. I don't know.
I hope it doesn't set like my notes on fire.
Right, same.
Okay, welcome back.